Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got the 6ah Flexvolt. It's showing 1 bar. If you put it in charge, you get absolutely nothing. If you have one of these Flexvolts that's doing that, there's one thing you can do. And that's what I'm doing now, is pulling the sides off and checking the connections. Screws out. Pull the side off here and you can see right away. So here you are, look at that, that's a broken connection. That one's okay, that one's okay. These are designed to burn out like fuses in the event of an overload. There's another one on the other side I must check, so I'll have to get the side off here again. One of these screws I'd have to drill out, but I'm going to avoid it, I think, by just having a quick look on here. Do you see that connection there? As you can see, that's intact. That's not burnt out. So we can put that side back on again. So that side's back on again. Just going to take a look at this again. You can join that together with a bit of strip, but I think because of the way it's burnt, the way it's broke, I think a wee tack of solder will do no harm. That's all there is to it. Just get the side pop back on and we'll be back in business. If that doesn't work, which we'll find out in a moment, it can be some of the other things that are more complicated things, let's say it like that. Thermal fuses, resistors, and it might not be worth looking into that unless you're very, very technically gifted. Let's hope this quick fix is done for us. So just bang it on the charge to see. And we got it charging light. So let's leave that on a while and see if it does the job for us. Some time has passed now with a solid red light, that's what we're waiting on. And more importantly, we've got 3 bars. So that's excellent. And when you're working these dual voltage things, you have to make sure that they're going on both 18 volt and 54. So I'm calling that fixed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos. And subscribe for more.